Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, May 2nd. Well, stocks saw some profit taking yesterday. New all-time highs were made in the E-mini S&P at 1595.5, but they backed off. The closing price was down 14 on the session at 1578. Dow futures were down 137 at 14,636, and the Nasdaq was the strongest of the three indexes, down only 0.4%, 12.5 points at 2867.5. The euro currency pushed higher above that 132 level. The high on the session was 132.32, and it ended up finishing at 131.86, up 23 on the day. The dollar index remains below that 82 support point that we've been talking about. It was down 11 on the session at 81.61. With the stock unwinding, we saw bonds bounce, some safety buying there, up 30 ticks, breaking out of that 147 to 149 range in the 30-year Treasury, closed at 149.10. Crude oil lost to $2.50 yesterday, closed at 90.96. The low on the session was 90.11. And gold also backed off with all assets drifting lower. Gold was down 8 at 1446, and some new relative lows below that 1445, 1440, 1450 pivot level, and had a low down at 1438 that we'll want to keep an eye on. So after the asset unwinding yesterday, where do things stand on this Thursday morning? Well, right now we've got the E-mini stock index is positive. We're up 5 in the S&P at 1582, and we're up 45 in the Dow futures at 14,688. The Nasdaq's up 10 as we stand. The euro currency and the dollar index are steady, and bonds are down 4 ticks, with the yield right now in the 30-year Treasury at 2.84%. Continues to drift lower as bond prices continue to go higher. Looking at crude's up about 40 cents at 91.40. Again, the low yesterday was around $90. $90 was the breakout from last week when it had been trading between 86 and 90. We'll look to see if that holds as a support level. And looking at gold, we're back above that pivot. We're at $14.55, up $9 as we stand right now, with $14.85, the high from the last week, to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the current market action, we're positive, a little bit of a bounce from some selling pressure yesterday. We're at 1582, up 5 in the E-mini S&P and up 45 points in the Dow futures. I will see you Friday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.